Hey guys, welcome back to another 2023 BRZ video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install one of these guys right here, which is a dash cam. So I'm going to also explain why it's on the side, but let's go ahead and get inside and show you guys how to do this. Now it's not hard, alright, but I wanted to make a video on it just in case people are new to the BRZ platform like me and don't know where to plug it exactly. On top of that, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it without having to use one of these guys, which is a prying tool. So this is to pry open any trim pieces and whatnot. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But before we do that, I'm going to show you guys the brand that I'm using. So this is the brand right here. I'm guessing it's pronounced Orski. So this is a very cheap dash cam, and when I mean very cheap, I mean it was supposed to be around $100, but there was $50 off, whatever. So I spent about 50 bucks on this thing, and it works. And that's really the main thing with dash cams. They just need to work. I mean, like, they need to save videos, they need to be a bit clear so you can at least see some license plate information and whatnot, and this does the job. So I decided to go with this. There's also different ones. There's some that can go on the mirror. Now those are a bit too chunky. This car is not that big, so I'm not going to do that. That was my water bottle, which always gets in the way. You guys will see me make a video on that shortly. So connect it to the mount and then mount it on your windshield. You just twist these. So first it's going to be open like that. Simply put on your windshield, twist it to the right, and it should lock, and it does not move after that. Pretty basic. I mean, no one needs a tutorial on how to do that. But let's go ahead and show you guys the wiring. So for me personally, I don't care about a little bit of wireage showing. So as you can see here, my wires are exposed, and I could care less about it being exposed because it's not in the way, you know, it's not dangling here like it used to for me. I could care less. This looks good to me. You know, I don't sit here as passenger anyway, so I don't really see this getting in the way. But I'm going to show you guys how to set it up like this for now, just like the way I did it, without having to pry anything. So on the outside of the vehicle here, this is the wiring, and all I did was I simply tucked it in right here. All right, now this does not come out when you're driving at all. I guess it's mainly because after all of this work, after you tuck it into here, it's nice and snug. It's also tucked underneath the actual glove box, and the reason for that is there's no outlet anywhere here, and in here it does not have one either. So the only place to plug it is right back there. Now I'm going to turn the flash on so you guys can see that. So that's where it is, and the way to get it there is by simply following this, you know, trim area here and plugging it in through the bottom. Now I can't see what I'm actually filming at this point, but you stick your hand in there, you plug it in, and it should look like that. Now after that, obviously you guys can just tie up the remaining wiring and put it in your glove box, close it, out of sight, out of mind. You literally don't have to worry about it after that. My apologies for the sirens. I will get back to you guys once those go away. Let's go ahead and throw this thing in accessory mode, and you guys will see this thing turn on. And that's what it looks like. And honestly, it's clear. You know, the frames are not bad on it, and it works. And that's it. So if you guys want to buy one of those, definitely go for it. So that is it for now, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully that helped out a little bit. I know it's not really a necessary video, but for some people, in case this is your first BRZ platform, it definitely helps because you might not know where to plug your dash cam. And the reason why my dash cam is that far away, by the way, is simply because of Eyesight. The automatic has Eyesight. Manuals don't, so you don't have to worry about placing it there. Honestly, I may even place it in the middle there or a little bit to the side, and I don't think it would get in the way, but I just want to be sure So I decided to put it down that way. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I don't have a lot of kilometers on this thing yet. I haven't been driving it that much. But yeah, I'll be making updates at 500 kilometers for you guys. And I will tell you guys some of the things I love about this car and some of the things I dislike. I already have a couple dislikes, but it's not serious. So it's definitely not going to take me away from loving this car. I absolutely love it. It's still a blast. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.